Hi, welcome back to Tom Sijawa channel. Today we will present how to make banana wine. Okay, before we started, please subscribe and click the button for bell and sharing. And also if you will have some comment, just give me a comment. Okay, now we started. First we have to prepare all the equipment and ingredients. I have to show you first the equipment is a jerrycan for 5 liters capacity, and a bottle for bottling after we make the wine, and also betadine for jerrycan to clean and hygiene the jerrycan. Also 100 ml water for the jerrycans to clean, and also cloth filter and funnel. And this is the ingredients for 5 liters banana wine. We have to prepare 4 kilograms white sugar and 500 grams brown sugar, and also raisin 500 grams, and cinnamon stick and clove, and banana of course is 4 kgs. It's a little bit dark to make more sweet, and lemon, and also yeast, a teaspoon yeast, and also we have fresh pepper lime. I'll take this one. Okay, and also 5 liter a boil of water. This one is a boil. Okay, then I'll start it make it. First this is too dark, so I open it. Put it here, and also little bit nervous. This is all the banana, 4 kilograms banana. White sugar 2 kilograms. Brown sugar 500 grams, and raisins, cinnamon stick, clove, and raisin 500 grams. cover lime. In Indonesia, we call this jeruk purut. Just leave it the skin inside. And lemon juice. Okay. Now we stir it. And close again. Leave it till boil the all this. Now also we have to prepare the jerrycan is hygiene and clear from bacteria, so we make water inside and a dash of betadine. And to make sure the jerrycan is hygiene, so we shaking and throw it the water. It means the jerrycan is already hygiene. We throw it the betadine. Okay, and after that, this is already done. Boil is about 30 minutes on or 1 hour. And after boil, then we leave it till cool. It's about 6 hours. After 6 hours, we pour into the jerrycan and we leave it about 2 months or 6 months. Then when the 6 months, we have the samples. This is already 6 months. It's a banana wine. Now I'll pour it and I'll keep it on the bottle. This is the bottle. Okay, the wine is done. Before you drink, you can keep on the freezer, and after that straight away you can drink it. And I'll keep it on the freezer. This is the wine. I'll start to drink. Wow, super. This is banana wine. Okay, and for the yeast, after this, the wine is already cold. We can pouring all of these things after 6 hours to this jerrycan. Of course, with 1 teaspoon, you can add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then keep it 6 months or 2 months. Thank you for watching.